Hello, good morning, Las Vegas. They finally pulled down the Cromwell sign on this side of the casino. They're gonna put up the Vanderpump, and I can see in the distance the front entrance to the Vanderpump actually has the Vanderpump signage already. All right, we're here at the Vanderpump Hotel. Let's walk in and take a look. Oh, still pretty dark. Here's the sports book. Hasn't been Vanderpumped yet, other than the carpet. Let's take a quick peek. Oh, the bar is actually done, but it's actually closed. But this is what it looks like, guys. Looks pretty good. All the furnitures are in already. Nice. Let's take a look at the Vanderpump carpet. This is what it looks like. Last time I was here, the carpet was still the Cromwell red carpet. Wow. Okay. A bit brighter, less red on the chandeliers. The chandelier covers are pretty awesome. Used to have like red hoods there, but otherwise, let's take a look at more of the carpets. The layout of the casino is pretty much the same, just with different carpeting. As well as the table layouts. Wow, I'm impressed, guys. Here's the Vanderpump craps table, regular craps with the Vanderpump branding. Well, they also got the new chairs with the Vanderpump branding on it. Very nice, very comfortable chairs. Yeah. It's the Vanderpump signage. We're right below it. Looking nice. Even the crest is on now, not just the Vanderpump words. Whew, still pretty early. Let's take a look at it from here. Looking nice. Here's what the guitar looks like. The guitar tower at Hard Rock Casino. Looks like this now. And over here, the signage is on. The digital signage, the brand new digital signage for Caesar's Palace. Continue walking down here. Hell's Kitchen. Green Fairy Garden, where Absinthe is. But the guitar tower. And you can see, I'm not gonna go there, but the Omnia Day Club is right there, the brand new one, just opened. And here's another look at the digital signage. It's huge. It's absolutely huge, man. Wow. Here's the Vanderpump from a distance, plus the digital signage. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the content. Here's a view of the Vanderpump from the walkway here between Bellagio and Horseshoe. Thank you very much for coming by and watching my update of the Vanderpump and other things happening on the strip.